This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The fluid reservoir is on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Where fitted, remove the cover and clean the area around the reservoir cap. Unscrew the reservoir cap. Check the fluid level is up to the upper max level indicator on the dipstick. Top up the reservoir with total fluid DA using a funnel. Once the level is between the level marks, securely refit the reservoir cap. Do not overfill the reservoir.